Hey guys, welcome to Tiote Productions. I'm Lisa Tiote. I was on Facebook and I seen this post. Is anyone else a new notary and feel like they don't know what the next steps are? I feel like I need a checklist for success. Like I got my general notary work and my LSA, but now what? When I see there's a problem, I like to come up with solutions. I've seen that many people had this problem and I also had this problem. So here is a checklist for a successful notary signing agent. I will be breaking down how to become a notary. Then we will go step by step what you need in order to be a successful notary. A notary's duty is to screen the signers of important documents for their true identity, their willingness to sign without duress or intimidation. Some notarizations also require the notary to put the signer under oath, declaring under penalty of perjury that the information contained in the document is true and correct. In short, you're a professional witness. Now that you know what a notary is and does, how do you become one? The National Notary Association. This is your hub for anything notary related, including signing agent. Give them a call and tell them to send you this document right here. Being a notary varies state by state. If you request for this document, they will send you step-by-step instructions through your email on how to become a notary in your state. In this package, you should get your first notary stamp. Congratulations, you follow all the steps that the NNA sent you and now you are a notary. Your state only allows you to charge $5 per stamp, so you look for other ways to make more money as a notary. Then you find Notary Signing Agent. First step, choose a certified notary signing agent package. So when you're choosing a notary signing agent package, this is what should show up. If you're in North Carolina, I would suggest that you choose this one. The signing agent training online and the regular notary training on top tiering list, notary signing agent exam, and background screening. So all of those are actually beneficial to you and you will know everything about signing agent. You want to always learn. Invest in education, invest in learning. So if you can afford it, I would suggest to pay this one if you're in North Carolina. If you're in other states, try to get the background screening, notary signing agent exam, and the notary signing agent online course. So that's most likely going to be this one. If you can't afford it right now, all you need is this, the $70. Step 2, start your background screening. This will take 48 to 72 hours. You will receive an email from Backgrounds Online with instructions. So you may be wondering what the background screening consists of. Notary Signing Agent Background Screening Standards. So there will be a 10-year search for criminal records. There is an extensive background check for obvious reasons. You will be dealing with paperwork. You will be dealing with documents that contain social security numbers on them. You will be dealing with documents that are very personal, very private to the signer. For obvious reasons, they have to do an extensive background check. This includes county criminal court searches, motor vehicle records, national offenders, nationwide criminal database, federal district court search, USA Patriot Act, including terrorist watch lists, and so much more. So this is a very extensive background check that you have to pass. And once you pass the background check, you will be cleared to proceed as a notary signing agent. An accumulation of 25 points results in disqualification. Step number 3, complete your certification. Once you successfully passed your NSA background screening and our NSA certification exam, you will have earned your NNA certified and background screening certification. And your certification will appear next to your listing on signingagent.com, which is associated with the NNA. This is the final step of becoming a signing agent. Once you've done your background check and passed the exam, you are done. You are officially a notary signing agent. Congratulations. Before we continue, consider taking a course. It's very useful and very helpful. I took the loan signing system. It is optional, very much recommended. You need equipment. Lucky for you, I have listed every single thing you need below in the description. All you have to do is click the link and it will take you right to the products. So now you have everything that you need to be a successful notary signing agent. So now you have to create a folder. In this folder, you will need your commission, your insurance, which will be emailed to you by the NNA, a professional picture of you, a picture of your driver's license, a W-9 form, which can usually be found on the signing service that you're signing up for. Sign up for a signing service and use that one and save it in your computer. A background check and an NNA signing agent profile. You're able to save this through the link, which is located in the NNA website on your NNA page. All right, you went through all of this process and now you are ready to work. But work doesn't just come to you. You have to actually start signing up for signing services. Start with SnapDocs and Signing Order. These are the two signing services that I signed up with first and gave me a lot of jobs as a new signing agent. I have multiple videos on signing services that give newbies jobs, so please feel free to look through those videos and it should help you guys out. But you should also be able to find signing services all throughout the web, on Notary Rotary and on YouTube. The rule of thumb is to sign up for 100 or more signing services. Doing this will give you your chances of having more signings come to you. There is no such thing as being done signing up for signing services and marketing your business. This is a business, so you are constantly learning and marketing. Whenever you have a downtime, that is a time for you to market. This was the full checklist for a successful notary signing agent. If I missed anything, please comment below. Help us all out to grow our business and be successful. I hope this video was beneficial and useful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Let me know if this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in another video.